Hi there, my name is Rhiannon and I work for Welsh National Opera as a répétiteur for their youth and community department. Répétiteur is a French word and it sounds a lot like the English word repeat or repetition. And that's what I do for my job. I play the piano, and as a musician, when we learn music or when we teach others music, we do a lot of repetition. So it really gets in the brain. And that's what we're going to do now in this rhythm game. I'm going to call out different instructions and we're going to do different rhythms in relation to those instructions. The first instruction is give me one, and the rhythm goes like this. Give me one. Give me one. Join in when you can. Give me one. Give me one. Fantastic. The next one is give me two, and it goes like this. Give me two. Give me two. Join in. Give me two. Give me two. Give me one. Give me one. Give me two. Give me two. Excellent. Now you might have guessed it. The next one is give me three. So, give me three goes like this. That's a bit of a long one. Let's try it again. Give me three. Give me two. Give me one. Give me three. Good, so our leg taps get longer each time, but there's always only one clap. The very last rhythm is slightly different. Instead of using our legs, we're going to use our chests, and we're going to do it 4 times. Again, join in when you think you've got the rhythm. It goes like this. Break it down. Brilliant. Let's try that one more time and then we put it all together. Break it down. Fantastic. Okay, let's go from the beginning, and I might mix the instructions up a little bit. Ready? Give me one. Give me one. Give me three. Give me two. Give me two. Give me three. Give me one. Give me one. Give me two. Give me two. Break it down. Fantastic. I'm sure you've already learned those rhythms really well, but of course you can use this video as many times as you want so that you can learn them so well that you can teach others some of the rhythms as well. Or you can listen to one of our other exciting videos.